welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I have sat down and filmed a video. I have no good excuse, but here I am. I have been on the search for a new foundation because my favorite foundation, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation, started to make me break out really badly. I had all these little red bumps all over my face, but it's still a little red. It's still recovering, but anyways. So I've been on the search for a full coverage foundation. I went to Sephora and I bought NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation, and the claims on this is, it says, NARS first long wear foundation that looks stronger, stays longer with skin recognition pigments for the truest color match in 16 hours of wear. Featuring NARS Skin Optimizing Complex Raspberry, Apple, and Watermelon Extracts for smoother, healthier looking skin. So this is retailed at $49. I had also recently gotten a drugstore foundation, and I picked up the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. It says 24 hours. The claims on this one is full coverage foundation up to 24-hour wear, seamless matte finish, breathable and comfortable, fade and transfer resistant, oil free, doesn't clog pores. So I haven't tried this one yet. I have tried this one. These are two different shades. This one's a little lighter, so it might look a little funky, but what I wanted to do today is I wanted to test out if this is a dupe for this. So I was looking over the ingredients in both of these. They have very similar ingredients, so I thought that was interesting. So I wanted to see how both of them wear and how they compare to each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put NARS on this side of my face, and then I'm going to put drugstore Maybelline on this side. So I'm going to start with the NARS. I had prepped my face already with just moisturizer, no primer, but I put on the Benefit Professional in my T-zone here. See how it has some really good coverage without looking super cakey. And I'm only using the littlest bit, just 2 pumps. That gives pretty good coverage. Let's bring this around this way so you guys can see. With a different beauty sponge, I'm going to be applying the Maybelline on this side of my face. This is the first time I'm trying this one. Alright, same amount, 2 pumps. Oh, that's a little bit more. Look like Two-Face. This one is darker. That's okay. Once I finish my makeup after, it won't be so obvious. Put some bronzer on the other side. It's really hard to pick out at the drugstore because they don't have testers usually. Finishes really nicely. Definitely full coverage. As you can see, the finish is pretty similar. Different colors, but the finish is pretty similar. So I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup. Okay, so far so good. I think that the finish looks really similar, but we'll see in a few hours. I already know how this wears throughout the day. It wears super well. The Maybelline one is brand new. This is my first time using it, so we'll see how well that holds up compared to the NARS. And so far so good. This is a great dupe. Obviously it would look even better if my face was super clear right now, but it's not. But it's supposed to be full coverage foundation, and I think it did its job pretty well. So yeah, I'll see you in a couple hours. Hey guys, I'm back, and it is now, it's 7 o'clock at night. I cooked dinner, I ate dinner, and I'm a little shiny. I didn't set this with any translucent powder, but also I've been cooking, I've been using oil. So I'm just gonna blot a little bit. In the camera, it looks really good still. I really think that this Maybelline is a great dupe for the NARS. I mean, you guys can judge for yourselves. This is the NARS side, and this is the Maybelline side. $11.99, $49. Okay, so that was today's video. Give this video a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe if you would like to see more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.